Good morning, and welcome to your daily Farm and Home Show, brought to you by the University of Kentucky Cooperative Extension Service. And now, here's your host.
Good morning. It has been hot, and we need to stay hydrated with water. And Kristi Shive is visiting with us today. She's the Warren County Extension Agent. Oh, Extension Agent. I just promoted her. She's the SNAP Ed Assistant. And you and Nan go out and teach all about this kind of thing.
Yes, that's right, Joanna. And like you said, it's summer, it's hot. And so some of us, we might not be water lovers.
Yes.
But there are a few reasons why we need to make sure that we're drinking enough water. Over half of our body weight is water, and the average person needs about 6 to 8 cups a day. Now, I think many times when we think about 6 to 8 cups, we think of the big glasses. Now, while that would be wonderful, we really only need to focus on the 1 cup size. So really, if you think about it, it's not that bad. And I'm going to show you a few ways that we can make our water intake a little more flavorful and enjoyable.
Absolutely. And especially as hot as it is, we might need to increase our water intake because we're losing some of that water.
Yes, so you want,
outside.
so if you're losing your water by sweating, you want to make sure that you are replacing your fluids. And so in the curriculum that we teach, our Healthy Choices for Everybody curriculum, we have 2 infused water recipes. And the first one is our strawberry and cucumber recipe.
Okay.
And infusing our water has actually been around for a very long time. When we go to a restaurant and we get lemon in our water, you're infusing your water by that flavor. And so think about all of the other fruits that you could add that can make it enjoyable. Now, whenever you're adding your fruit to your pitcher, your glass, whatever, you want to use the back of a spoon to just slightly press down on that fruit. And what you're doing is you're releasing all of that flavor.
Yes.
So you're kind of breaking that fruit up. And I could spend a little bit more time doing that, but now I'm just going to add a few thinly sliced cucumbers.
And really, is there an amount? I mean, you can probably just do it to your taste buds, right?
Yes. Our recipe calls for a cup of strawberries and 1 cucumber, but like you said, you can do it to your taste, your preference.
And you know, sometimes it's hard to get kids to drink water because they want those sugary drinks, you know, that everybody else has. But this is a fun way.
It is. And say you were having a party and someone you invited, they were trying to watch what they were eating and watching their calories, they would be so happy that you had this as an option for them.
And it's so pretty.
It is so pretty. So Joanna, now I have just 2 mason jars, and I'm going to let you make whatever you want. Actually, we only have cucumbers left. I'm sorry, I used all the strawberries. But the next recipe we have is our orange blueberry tart recipe, and we are just going to...
Well, I wouldn't think about putting oranges and blueberries together, but that would be a nice little citrusy, sweet type of drink. And it's very colorful. I think it's very summertime.
And right now, I just added an orange slice.
Oh, you made yours pretty. Here, let me see if I can try to do that. Oh, look there.
So the key to using anything citrus is you want to leave the rind on. And the rind is just this skin right here.
Okay.
That's going to help hold in that flavor.
Okay, and a lot of our, you know, even when you zest an orange or something like that, it lets off all those flavors and that smell. And so I think that would be fun as well. Now, do we need to muddle our fruit here where we do
I'm glad you said that. So here's
to
a
release
spoon.
some of the juices.
And so even if you are not eating this fruit, you are still getting some of the antioxidants and some of the vitamins from the fruit.
Yeah, so you're getting extra with your water. It's even more healthy. And you can't go wrong with that. Now, how long do I need to let this sit, Kristi, for it to get those flavors in there?
The best way is to let it chill in the refrigerator for a couple hours or even overnight. That's going to help give you the most flavor. But if you are on the go, there's some really cool water bottles out there on the market, and basically what you do is just fill it with water, and then there is this little fruit basket, and you can just fill it with whatever fruit you want. pop it in, and you can go.
And that fruit will last you all day. You can just keep refilling your bottle.
Yes, you can. And if you want to nibble on it, you can.
That's right. I'll probably eat the blueberries out of mine as soon as we get finished. So, Kristi, where can people find these recipes?
You can call us at the Warren County Extension Office. You can ask for Kristi or Nan, and we would be more than happy to get you these recipes.
All right. Well, thanks for visiting with us today, Kristi. We want to make sure that you stay hydrated, especially during this heat. Make sure this is great. Put a top on it and take it with you. Thanks for watching and have a great day.
If you have questions about today's topic, please call the Warren County Extension Office at the number on your screen. Thanks for watching and have a great day.